Yes, good morning students. How are you all? Today we are going to revise the chapter is pressure. As you all know that what is pressure? Pressure is equals to force upon area. We represent pressure with P, force with F and area with E. Okay. If same force act on a different area, then pressure exerted will be different. Means pressure is directly proportional to force and pressure is inversely proportional to area. Okay. And pressure exerted by solid, we know that all the three matters states of matter, solid, liquid and gas, all exert pressure. So the pressure exerted by solids, how solid exert pressure? There are many examples. For example, in the first picture you have footprints of a person. So person is a solid, so impact of footprints shows that the person's foot exert pressure on the road, or you can say on the sand, so footprints marks appear. Also if we hammering a nail in a wooden block, then what will happen? We have to apply pressure with this hammer. So nail is in shape is like this, so area is lesser here. Okay, so we pressure is equal to force upon area. If area is lesser, so we can so pressure is more. Okay, these are inversely proportional. If area is less, pressure is more. Okay, so we have to with the less pressure, we can easily hammer it with the wooden block. Okay, these are the examples. The sharp of school the straps of school bag are made of broad क्यों है? Because एरिया ज़्यादा है, स्कूल बैग्स की जो स्ट्रैप्स है उसका एरिया ज़्यादा है. अगर एरिया ज़्यादा है तो प्रेशर हमें कम फील होगा. ठीक है, ये नाइफ एजेस, उसका एरिया कम होता है तो प्रेशर ज़्यादा मतलब उस पर लगेगा जिसको हमने काटना है. देन नाइफ हैंडल्स आर मेड वाइडर. ये सारी एग्जांपल है एरिया एंड प्रेशर की उसमें. Then next we have a pair of scissors have sharp edges because we have to decrease the area. And next, balloon can easily burn through a burst through a nail than a finger because the pointed of the nail is small, so it has small area and we have to apply lesser pressure. So with the lesser pressure it easily bursts the nail. This is all about the pressure exerted by the solids. Next, the pressure exerted by liquid. Liquid also exert pressure on the substance. For example, these are many activities in your book. Okay, we all discuss already in the worksheets that if this is a container, there is a hole, so water comes out with more pressure. Okay, from this. And also the pressure water does not depend upon the shape of a container. Okay, means pressure exerted water exert pressure in this container is same, it does not depend upon the size. Also here if we have one hole in this side and one hole in this side, so water will come with equal speed from these two holes. Okay, only height matters. Here the holes at the same height. Okay, next this is a very important example. If we made a hole A B C, then water comes with lesser pressure from A, then B, then C. ठीक है, water flowing out of a hole different heights. ठीक है, this is the important line. You can study this activity and ask me question in the Zoom class. Okay, manometer pressure measurement. This is the instrument used to measure the pressure. Okay, that's it. Next, the pressure exerted by gas. Gas also exert pressure. For example, atmosphere is a very good example of pressure exerted on us. We know that the almost 1000 Newton per meter square pressure is on us, but we doesn't crush through it because our internal structure is like this. They balances the atmospheric pressure. There are many examples where you can balance. Atmospheric pressure we already done in the worksheet. What is atmospheric pressure? What is the units of it? How it exert pressure? Next is a barometer. Barometer is a very important instrument used to measure the atmospheric pressure. How it measures the atmospheric pressure? Here we have the container we have mercury and their atmospheric pressure. With the pressure from this side, the water goes up, the mercury level goes up in this tube. So hence we can prove that pressure exerted by the atmospheric, and the instrument which shows this, the atmospheric pressure, is known as barometer. And the almost he found that the mercury rose up 76 centimeter in the glass tube. This is the glass tube. Okay. Also there is the same example, the rubber sucker sticking on the surface. This is also the example. This is all about the pressure exerted by solid, liquid and gases. Okay.